I'm Mike Wood from Northgate for Lincoln. Say you want to save time and shop online. You can do that with our online sales department. Just go to our website, northgatefl.com, and there you can pick from either Ford or the Lincoln side. So say you're in the market for a Fusion or any car. You go to New Car Inventory Search, and then you type it in. So I'm looking for a blue Fusion. So I'm gonna look and see what we have in stock. So this will show you all our vehicles that are in stock currently. Here we go. Blue Fusion SE front wheel drive. Click on it. And from here, you can get an idea what your payment's gonna be. And how you do that, you scroll down, find the button that says calculate your payment, click on it, and from here it'll give you an estimation payment. So right now your payment's at $234 a month. So it automatically figures it at A plan with $2,400 due at signing. So you can change that stuff around and customize it. So I want to go 36 months. I don't want to put any cash down. And I drive a little bit more, 15,000 miles a year. And I don't have any family members that work at Ford. So I'm going to change the plan to X plan, Z plan, or no plan. From there, you can add in a trade-in, so how much you think your car is going to be worth if you looked it up. Or you can go to the special rebates. So if you're in the military or medical profession or first responder, you get extra rebates there too. So you plug all this stuff in, and then it's going to show you your payment. $345 a month, 36 months, 0 due at signing, and 15,000 miles. Now you can print off that deal, and if you like that deal, say you really like that deal, you can go apply for financing is the next step. So it's just confirming what you plugged in, and next you fill out the application, and then schedule your test drive. So sanitize your car before you get here.